welcome back to Fluency School. Today also I came to see you with a new grammar pattern. Today we are going to learn present continuous tense. We also call this the present progressive tense. So in this video I'm going to teach you how and when to use the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to talk about this situation. Situation number 1. We use present continuous tense to talk about current actions, things we do right now. For an example, you can say, I am doing my homework. I am reading a book. Situation number 2. To talk about future plans and arrangements. For an example, you can say, Mary is moving to a new apartment next week. We are going out tonight. Situation number 3. To talk about an action that's in progress. For an example, you can say, she is learning to become a doctor. Alright everyone, now you know when to use the present progressive tense or the present continuous tense. Let me teach you how to structure sentences and questions using the present continuous tense. When we form present continuous tense sentences, always remember to use a suitable be verb in its present form, plus the main verb should be kept in its ing form. Alright everyone, we use these be verbs in our sentences. Am is are. Am is used with the subject I, is for singular subjects, and are is for plural subjects. Sentence type 1. Positive or affirmative sentences. Let's see how to structure a positive sentence. Right, you start your sentence with a subject and then a suitable be verb plus the main verb in its ing form. For an example, you can say, Mom, the subject, is the be verb cooking. Cook plus ing. Alright everyone, let me give you some more examples for affirmative sentences in present continuous tense. You can say like this, I am cleaning my room. I am cleaning my room. They are watching a movie. They are watching a movie. She is talking to her teacher. She is talking to her teacher. Right, type 2. Forming negative sentences using the present continuous tense. When it comes to forming negative sentences, we simply have to add the word not after the be verb. Am not, is not, are not. This is the structure that you need to follow. Subject, be verb, not, plus the main verb in its ing form. Okay everyone, let me give you some examples for negative sentences. I am not talking to her. I am not talking to her. They are not coming tomorrow. They are not coming tomorrow. He is not listening to me. He is not listening to me. Alright everyone, type 3. Forming questions using the present continuous tense. As I always teach you, questions are 2 types. Yes/no questions and WH questions. now let's see how to form yes-no questions using the present continuous tense. Right, when it comes to forming yes-no questions, your questions should always start with these auxiliary verbs. Is, am, are. This is the structure that you need to follow. Be verb plus the subject and your main verb in its ing form. After that, you can include the rest of the sentence. Right, so let me give you some examples. I'll give you 3 examples to understand this better. Example number 1. Is he learning to become a doctor? Is he learning to become a doctor? You can answer this question like this. Yes, he is. Oh, no, he's not. Example number 2. Are you studying for the exam? Are you studying for the exam? You can answer this question like this. Yes, I am. No, I am not. Example number 3. Are they meeting tomorrow? Are they meeting tomorrow? And the answer should be like this. Yes, they are. Oh, no, they are not. Alright everyone, let's see how to make WH questions or work questions using the present continuous tense. Right, so when it comes to WH questions, your questions should always start with the proper question word. Where, when, how, why, and so on. This is the structure that you need to follow when forming WH questions. Question word plus the be verb, a suitable be verb of course, and then the subject and your main verb in its ing form. Okay, now we know how to structure a WH question in present continuous form. Let's see some examples. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? When are they coming? When are they coming? Alright everyone, that's all we have to learn about the present continuous tense. It's actually super simple and easy to remember as well. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you were able to learn something new. Right, if you have any doubts to get clarified, please comment down so then I can answer all your questions. Right, I'll see you soon with a new video. Until then, take care and stay safe.